Today we both are going to Platypus Track and Balaka waterfall, and the weather is like a bit of sunny, partly cloudy. Temperature is around 16 degree, and the Platypus Track is gonna take us around 2 kilometer loop, and the Balaka is waterfall is there, which is like 250 meters walk from the parking side. So that's how the weather is here. So we just reached our destination. That's our parking spot, and this way we have to go. And for the navigation purpose, we are following Capra, and this is Balaka Falls, and that's the way in. 1 second.
Dogs are not allowed.
Yep, dogs are not allowed.
Why are you coming?
Nice place for photography. So now we are going back to the parking, and we'll go to Platypus Track. So there are multiple trails you can go for, small walks and all. One is over there. So we reached our destination. That's our car. This is the parking area, and from there we're gonna start. So there are multiple trails inside this reserve. So the name of the reserve is Bidjigal Reserve, and we'll be following the Platypus Track. So we start from here, and the ending will be other side. So this road is closed. This is for car. I think we have to go this way. Yep. Yep. So we will be reaching a junction in a while. there, and from there we have to take right to follow the Platypus Track. So here we are. So we'll be going right to follow the Platypus Track, and this is the map. See here.
Cycling
So we are here. Okay, and
riding allowed.
I know.
We'll get
Platypus Track 1.7 kilometers. So there's another track, Buraga Track, and Muriyana Track.
Yeah.
So we can cover both these tracks later.
Yeah. We can cover by bike.
Yep. Nothing is there.
Now, when we went to Blue Mountains glowworm tour, that tour guide showed us these kind of trees which has the poisonous spiders. They live inside those woods.
Oh, okay.
That's why they say when you go hiking, you should never touch the
Never
trees.
touch. Yep.
He showed us one of that, how they live their houses.
Okay, so yep, these are the platypus.
Oh, is it?
Yep. So I think this place is named after it. So might be we can see some platypus if we go nearby the creek. Okay.
I think we are going one side and we'll come back.
Yeah, that's what I said. So okay, so
here only.
if you are starting from other way around, then
We'll come here, but the
yes.
loop start from here.
or we can come from here and then we can go this side. Can you check the map once?
Okay, yeah, this is the loop now we are going to go. So the one which you are saying, it's the same loop. There.
There's no path down.
Let's check.
Okay.
There are stairs.
So coming from that way and we'll be going this way. What are these?
It's a number here and there's a wire. There's a wire going on.
Let's go that side.
That's the
Still, let's go. See if we can find something. Hey platypus!
I told you.
There's an outlet for those. Can you see this outlet?
Yeah. Oh, Bhago.
क्यों?
There's a leeches.
कहाँ है? Big one leech. Let's go. So it's been raining a week back and 2 weeks back, and last week it was sunny, so the weather is quite humid over here. Pleasant but a bit humid, so you will find leeches, and she is afraid of. After you.
Thank you.
So the track is about to end. We are ascending, leaving the creek behind. That's the end. See this, bro? We are at the junction from where we took right. Just follow the Platypus Track.
So we finished the loop.
Yep. Now we can go home in peace.
In peace.
खत्म हो गया ट्रैक इसलिए और हमने कर लिया बेसिकली. Yep. There's a thing we haven't found any platypus. So from there we took right.
Cycling is allowed.
Yep.
Only camping is not allowed and hiking.
Dogs are allowed.
They're allowed, that's
I told you.
all.